Hey everybody, this is Patriot here, and I'm doing a custom video with the Foregin engine from the Railway series. And he was originally going to appear in the TV series, but it was actually cut off. Yeah, I like to see the episode in the TV series. That story. One goes Foregin. Yeah, anyway, so into the BCR logo on his sender. This model is actually from the TrackMaster 2009 Henry by Patriot Mattel. You can guess by the name, the bottom of the engine. It says 2009 Mattel, blah blah blah, and blah 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 on the tender. And you can see the triangle screwdriver, so you can guess that too. And it's actually running with a. Also, originally with this coal bunker, I originally put duct tape first, then I put black tape second, then I decided to keep this instead. You see that AA battery inside? He still runs well. I'm actually really surprised. I kept this Henry over 3 years. Just before the 2012 Henry Spring release. I'm not joking. Okay, so let's give the Foregin engine his run. Okay, so at the railway here we got the Foregin engine pulling the express for today because Gordon is absent. Because I don't have the Patriot Gordon yet. I need the Patriot Gordon, the old version, the C battery version. Anyways, let's get the Foregin engine his run and here we go. Okay, so here's the hill climb. Come on, get up there. And you did it. Nice job. So YouTubers, there it is. The custom review of the Foregin engine, or Patriot, named by Enterprise in Engine 93, in the Railway series. It was originally going to appear in the TV series, like Britt Allcroft and the other people. Originally used the Foregin engine using Henry's model with smoke deflectors. I did not go with the smoke deflectors, but you have to get used to it. And a different face. Yeah, it really does sound like they have to repaint Henry in the darker green color and the BCR logo. And this green Tommy Express coach from Gordon. I would like to get another one because I'm going to get the Patriot Gordon soon. After the shipping check is over. Probably in late June or early July. If that doesn't happen, I'm going to have to go over to Japan and get the Patriot Gordon instead. The C61 coach. I got this from the C61. Be back in a second. Oh, there he is. Here's the C61. Push this alongside. Here he is. It looks good. Still runs well. I've been using C battery for him. Anyways, back to this engine. Oh! Anyway, so, I hope you guys enjoy this review. This is actually Patriot 1 here saying thanks for watching, and see you soon.